Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. And today, as thumbnail, you guys can see chat with your PDF. I'm going to show you first demo, then I will show you how I am going to develop the things. And first thing and foremost thing, what I'm going to say, we are doing all the things with the help of the chat GPT, but it is not like that. We have to rely on the chat GPT. I will show you in this complete playlist how we can do the same thing with the help of our in-house LLM like Google Flan T5 kind of thing, different type of Llama V2. These are the different LLMs are already available, which I believe are better than chat GPT performance, right? So stay tuned with me. First, let me show you the demo, then I will show you the technical depth behind of it, right? So so this is the application. This is our application. So how this application works, here is the browse file. Just please select your files which you want to select as a PDF. I am selecting this PDF. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm just asking this question, what is the PDF about? Now I'm just pressing enter button, and you can see I got the response. This PDF is about GPT for all, a chat bot trained over the massive curated corpus of assistant interactions, including word problem, story description, multi-turn dialogue, and code, and blah 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 thing, right? So let me see what is this PDF, what are the things is in this inside of this PDF, and then I can, let me also see, this is the actual PDF you guys can see, and it seems like this PDF is about the same thing what is our chat GPT is responding. Also for a quick response, who is the author of the PDF, author of this PDF? So let me see whether my chat GPT is giving, whether my this bot is giving the answer. The author of the PDF is the Yuvans Anand, and these are the things. Let me read out whether this, yes, this chat bot is giving the right answer, right? You can see it's absolutely right. So earlier, right, it's a very hard to know, like remember what the PDF entities, what are the things is mentioned in the PDF, all the sort of things. In this, after this application, you just pass your PDF, whatever PDF you have, and then ask the question, whatever question you have, right? So this we are going to build. In this we are going to use a different thing like chat GPT and also in-house LLM. I'll talk about the technical depth. Stay tuned with me in the upcoming video so that I can show you the complete development and all the sort of things, right? So yeah, thank you for watching this. We'll meet in the next video with the complete development.